Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer assets to Arbitrum One on MetaMask, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the MetaMask wallet installed on your browser. Open your MetaMask wallet. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Next, make sure you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Click on the network drop-down at the top of the MetaMask interface. Select Add Network. In the network settings, input the following details for Arbitrum One. For network name, type Arbitrum One. For new RPC URL, input https://arb1.arb. To transfer assets, you'll need to use a bridge. Open a new tab and search for an Arbitrum bridge, such as the Arbitrum bridge. Navigate to the bridge website. Connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect button. Once connected, select Ethereum as your source network. Choose the asset you wish to transfer to Arbitrum. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the details of the transaction, including gas fees. Click on Transfer or Deposit to initiate the process. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Wait for the transaction to process on the Ethereum network. Once complete, switch back to your MetaMask wallet. Ensure you are still connected to the Arbitrum One network. Check your wallet balance to confirm that the assets have arrived. If you do not see the assets, you may need to add them manually. To do this, find the asset contract address from a reliable source. In your MetaMask, scroll down to the bottom and click on Import Tokens. Enter the token contract address. MetaMask should automatically fill in the rest of the details. Click Add Custom Token. Finally, click Import Tokens to see your assets on Arbitrum One. You have successfully transferred assets to Arbitrum One on MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.